Hello, good morning. How are you? Hope you're doing great. Okay? Okay, guys, do you know what day is today? Very good. Today is Friday. Okay, and tomorrow it's Saturday and Sunday. So it's like vacations, like short vacations, okay? Because tomorrow we can sleep more and you will get up late, maybe, I don't know. Maybe your mom tells you, hey, wake up early. But maybe tomorrow you will sleep more than today, okay? Okay, guys, let's see what we have to do today. Okay, let's go on page 19 on our booklet. And it says, activity 15, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Had you ever heard that song? Yes? Okay. It says, read, trace the song and color the pictures. Okay, lee, traza la canción y colorea las imágenes. It says, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Then you color the star. Hi, I wonder. She said, how I wonder what you are. And then you have the moon, the earth. Up above the world, so high, high. Like a diamond in the sky. And the sky, like el cielo, where you can find the clouds and the moon. Right there, you have the clouds and the moon, stars. Okay, you colored them. Then, twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Okay, guys, and that's all what you have that you have to do today. You just trace the words and color the pictures, okay? Okay, guys, I love you so much. I hope you have a great weekend. Take care at home and don't go out without a mask, okay? If you go out, please wear your mask, okay? Ask mommy and daddy to wear mask always. Okay, guys, wash your hands many times a day, okay? I'll hope to see you on Monday. Bye bye, guys. Have a great weekend.